Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to ask for reviews for your listing on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do is to go to your inbox. So basically just switch to hosting, and then we are going to inbox, and here we'll find the messages between you and all your guests. And basically there, after the checkout or anything else, you can just ask them for a message, for example, hello, and of course you need to ask politely. So hello, can you please leave a review for your trip or anything, or you can give your opinion. So basically you need just to formulate an expression to ask your guest to give a review for your trip, and then they will be permitted and they will take you or give you a review for your hosting, and you will have your review done. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.